In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to send XLM to Trezor Safe 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Trezor Safe 3 or any other model and you would like to transfer your XLM, you can get this done. However, the difficulty with this process is that as of today, during the time that I'm recording this video, XLM is not natively supported on a Trezor. So what you have to do is send your XLM elsewhere, and after you send it to this middleman of sorts, you will be able to manage it using your Trezor. So you can still access your XLM using your Trezor. They are going to be safe, secure, but as I said before, because it is not natively supported, you will not be able to directly transfer it. So if you go into Trezor Suite after you connect your Trezor device to your PC, you click the plus sign, you will notice that in here there is no option to add an XLM account, because XLM is not currently supported. So what you have to do is go to a website such as accountviewer.stellar.org. This website, as the name suggests, will allow you to view and manage your Stellar or XLM account. So in here, you just choose the option to connect with Trezor. Then you confirm, and you will get a pop-up similar to this one, where they ask you to open Trezor Suite to establish a communication. So once you go through this process and the communication has been established, you will be given a Stellar public key. This works just like any other wallet address, so it is going to be displayed here. You will be able to choose the receive option, a pop-up appears, and you get a QR code and the actual address itself. So now just copy this address and use it to initiate any sort of transfer that you want. So you copy this wallet address, paste it on your exchange, and you will be able to send XLM to this particular address here. You will still be managing the XLM using your Trezor. However, as I've said before, you have to do it through this website, the account viewer page. And you will need to send at least one XLM before unlocking this account. I hope I was able to help you on how to send XLM to Trezor Safe 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.